Hi, I'm Mpangane Macduff. I'm a student teacher. I'm doing my degree in the University of Limpopo. I'm currently doing my final year, the PED SPF, which is the Bachelor of Education, Senior Phase, and Further Education and Training. I am a former planeteer. In trying to respond to the question that says, why do I think South Africa is such a best place to study Earth System Science? I will first try to break down the different fears that Earth System Science is more concerned about, which are the lithosphere, the hydrosphere, atmosphere, and in fact the biosphere. Of which the lithosphere it consists of all the cold, hard, and solid rocks of the planet, and the hydrosphere, which consists of all the planet's solid, liquid, and gaseous water. The biosphere, which consists of all the living organisms of the planet, and lastly the atmosphere, which consists of all the plants or the planet's air. If we can look at South Africa is very much exposed to these fears. Giving an example, South Africa is having it's exposed, in fact, to both the cold and the warm air masses, which, for instance, the warm Mozambican ocean current, the cold Pengular current, and also the Akalas current. This also makes South Africa to be such a unique place or best place to study Earth System Science, because it's exposed to these different air masses. And then another thing, South Africa is still developing, and then as it is still a developing country, it is having a much advantage of developing sustainably. So I think this also makes South Africa to be such a very unique and best place to study Earth System Science, since it is having those advantages of developing sustainably. And then one other thing, South Africa consists of diverse it's in fact different people, and it is in fact a diverse country. Different people living in South Africa, and which makes South Africa such a good place to study Earth System Science, because these people are different and they come from different backgrounds, they have different perspectives. So I think it is also in fact a best place to study Earth System Science. Another thing, I think it's South Africa is having too many places which are conserved, like the parks, the botanical gardens, which makes South Africa such a natural place, because this also falls part of one of the spheres which the Earth System Science it's more concerned about. So as we can see, that the Earth system is in fact striving not to, Earth system science is striving not to break any sphere, since an effect in one sphere, then it also creates a problem to one or more spheres. So I think all these are in fact the things that make South Africa such a best place to study Earth System Science. Thank you.